Hey friends, if you wish to enable dark mode in Google Docs, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So go to docs.google.com and hit enter. Let us say that this is a document. Now docs.google.com does not have a dark mode, nor does any of these Google Drive options have that. And even when you're using dark mode on your browser like I am using currently, it will not make Google Docs dark. So you'll have to go to edge colon forward slash flags or Chrome colon forward slash flags, and then you can search for dark here and change the default mode to dark and then restart the browser. Just check the effect after this. The internal part, I mean the sheet itself will be white, but everything else will become dark. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.